Hello grade 9 students. I'm making this little video. I just want to talk and show you guys kind of maybe how to fill out this plant project a little more efficiently, or just kind of go over a little more details of actually how to fill this out. So I'm going to pull this up on the board. I'm going to go through kind of the first parts of how to fill this out. That way you can kind of get going on this before kind of the weekend, this first weekend, and then that way we know what we can talk about on kind of Monday, Tuesday for those live classes. So let's go through our little project here. Alright, so hopefully all of you have already planted your plant. I'm taking this video basically Friday morning. There's a couple of you that are coming to pick it up today, but for the most part all of you got it on Wednesday, and so hopefully all of you have planted it, okay? This first part, it says the plant research. I'm going to set this as an assignment for you guys early next week, and so like this is one of the things I'm going to mark, is I want to see the research that you put in to your plant. Describing the plant, what kind of climate do they like, how much sun do they like, soil, all this kind of stuff. So I'm going to send you this as a little assignment, okay, next week. The actual transplant, that hopefully again you guys already did, okay? What kind of materials did you need? Describe the procedure. What did you have to do to actually plant this on your own? And then again, I want a photo. What did it look like when I gave it to you in the little plastic container? What does it look like now? Now that's actually in the ground or in a pot. This weekly journal, this is what I've kind of got the most questions with so far. A lot of students have been like, what the heck do I do with this? So here's kind of one answer. Week 1, so this is, you should be kind of doing one right like this Friday or this Saturday in the sense of week 1, that's right now. And so do a start. So maybe it's Friday, Saturday. Again, how much water-ish is it getting in? We're going to say per day. I don't need to know over the last 3 days. How much basically per day? How much water are you getting per day? It's kind of hot right now, so I would guess that most of you are probably watering it maybe every day or every second day. Let me know, and then roughly-ish how much. How much light is it getting? Again, if you actually have needed to move spots eventually, you won't now because it's only week 1. But you can add that in. And then as well here, I'm going to get rid of some of my physics stuff. Get rid of some of my physics stuff. All right, over here, like how many stems does it have? That's mean like how many like little shoots out of the ground does it have? How many leaves does the overall plant? Okay, I want you to measure it. How high is it, or how wide is it now? Okay, especially for tomatoes. Tomatoes can get wide and tall. Okay, the sweet pea plants will go higher. The sunflowers will go more higher, but tomatoes for sure will get wider. Same with lettuce plants. They'll get wider as well as tall. So put that in. That way we kind of have a baseline. Later on, so this week, you probably only need to do one entry for week 1 because you guys got it Wednesday. And so you can take a little start on Friday, Saturday. And then week 2, this should be kind of Monday, Tuesday-ish. You'll give it 4 or 5 days. We'll do a new update. Okay, roughly how much per day did you get? Again, if the temperature cools down, you might have to do less watering. Okay. Again, how much hopefully have you grown, or is there any new leaves? That kind of stuff. Okay. And then again, later on week 2, on that Friday or Saturday, same thing. You'll do another entry, kind of as you go along there. Okay. Here we have a plant journal. So week 1 photo. That should kind of be ish now. Okay. This Friday, Saturday, latest by Sunday. Take a photo of what it looks like, so at the end of each week. So roughly, again, that's right now. And then give a little description, okay? How's it looking? Is it mostly green, or is there anything kind of changing about it? Does it seem like it's getting taller? Just give a description of what the plant looks like, how it's doing. Is it looking dead? If it's so, you might need to water it, or might need something else. Might need some new possible like location for soil. But let me know how it's looking. And then again, week 2 photo and week 3 photo, that'll be more at the end of those weeks. So like not for another week. This will be kind of this Friday, Saturday of next week. Okay? On our next live class, we'll talk about some other steps after that, but that's kind of what I wanted to send a little video of right now, is what I'm expecting you guys to do kind of right now, this Friday, this weekend, and leading into Monday. That way we have something to kind of talk about during our live class, as well as that way we can stay updated with how your plant's actually growing. Okay, grade 9s, hopefully you have fun. It's beautiful outside. Get outside a little bit. I know it's warm, but that's okay. And keep that plant alive. I want to see how it goes over the next couple weeks. Okay, thanks so much, grade 9s. I'll talk to you later.